Today I'm working on setting up a sort of an extension plate for the motor mount on the Plymouth here, as we been fitting the motor in. Basically just gonna sort of take my square here and get a rough idea of about how big this is, so we get away with about 4.5 inches. So hold it straight, set it at our 4.5 inches. We'll mark it along the way here. So that will be welded up here. So goodness. Okay, finally. All right. So that'll be gone. That'll be gone. And we'll weld our plate here. And this one will be our engine. So that's the basis of how we're going to set our plate up here. And this plate is going to basically go, as you see, this will come up in here, and we'll square all this off before we weld everything. And this will go ahead and weld onto our plate that's here. This spot will be on the engine. We'll just drill the holes, which basically will go to our 3 holes that's over here. There's one hole here, one hole back here, and one more down at the bottom. This will end up bolting up to these 3 holes. Haven't decided whether we're going to move the location completely or if we're just going to work with the notch that we did here. Bringing this down and over should give us the plate to basically have our motor mount sitting in this open gap right here.